The Share and Markup tool lets you share your designs and get feedback from anyone. To use the tool, open any file in SOLIDWORKS. Go to the Lifecycle and Collaboration tab. Click the arrow under Share a File to select the file format you would like to share. When you click the Share button, the file is uploaded to your 3D drive. You can copy the link to grant general access. Most of the time, you are going to want to enable the two options below that. Turn on the first toggle to enable anyone to comment and see everyone else's comments, and turn on the next toggle to restrict access to specific people. Just enter their email and a custom message, then click Share. You can share this file with anyone. They don't need to have SOLIDWORKS or a license for 3DEXPERIENCE. The person you have shared the file with will get an email that looks just like this. They just need to click the link and log into their 3DEXPERIENCE account. They can create one for free if needed. The file will open in their browser for viewing and comments. They can navigate around the model and use the View Mode tool to change the appearance. Since this is an assembly, the built-in Explode tool can be used to get a better understanding of the different parts and how they fit together. They can use the Measure tool and apply special flags, as well as type out comments for easily viewed feedback. Comments are only visible in the orientation they were created, helping to minimize the clutter when panning around your model. Markups can also be added to further communicate design modifications. Once a user is done providing feedback, they need to click Share as Comment to make their markups visible to you and others with access. No emails or zip files required. Back in SOLIDWORKS, you will receive a notification letting you know a comment has been added to your file. Clicking on the notification will bring you directly to the comment that user made. The best way to review all the comments is to use the annotation tool, which will let you cycle through the different orientations containing markups. Going back to the comments lets you reply or add comments of your own. Everyone with access to the link will have access to the full comment history.